Abuafo, mama ma wakwaba emfa obra GCN page so munuaba address me and I'm did me way ebro. Na mestros of subscribe to my channel. Now don't say any bell on the so obey notification. And some echoes will make will be a beauty and I say obey be a share a GCN page ha. Ore oka say nana owusu oka NPP communication team members no. Now we discussion e will need FM do media what to in Ghana e mutie so. Na eho ena na wusu e de etudwa na o kyese his excellency na nado dan kwakufado galamse ya okun e de etia e wo manga ne mu de a edin din ye papapa de enti a din de say politicians no hyehye echi titru pa MPP fu no mo abemu no bebre na etu galamse enti no na nado ko na okun no de a ebeye din papapa na say yete say honorable Kennedy Japan the ensembia to dra efa galamse ya na nado se okun etie hu na no na honorable HSS say his excellency na do dan kwakufa do betumi akon etie galamse ya so start efimifie na ne fie ni enim se parliament house say na adoni komchebi na starting fee ye ntumi enche na se ni nsem ba captain smart kwa kwa kebi no mo agina dia fi enjo FM na de ade a na no na wusu HSS ensem a hyehye party ni mo efa galamse hu no say secret na eba out na say MPP for more careful omuko position na just 100 years and some more back because galamse na do say all point here na yensu sem yensasesem ho akoyie no enya de omo epene ebi mo selfish interest in no enya de ensema na do kakra no otie oye politician obekọ parliament house na do akasem obeyese wa fanso on fine okoya na okwakotu galamse na his excellency na do dan kwakufu adro aye na jensa afi de galamse ne de obekọ atia pa enti ani soldiers omo atu omo hwemuru mi asem keto wo so wo excavator be hye no ene na so omo hye bi mo di na esu enya asem keto akura ese de ne maami na ne papa ewu omo ahye ne excavator na do so ontena wo ne yensu ensei na o man Ghana yakopa ma ye bibia ebe kaka na yensu keke nso ye kra matches ye kra na yensu ye ba be kra wo mamu di anya dia ebeyeye intina na do etrese ansa no betwa ni ATS awie no ne wa hu se galamse chese ebi enkoso wo Ghana ha no kra obetumi aye galamse na chese uwo license a obetumi dia operate na chese bibia ye final say eba ne say illegal one na mo de say yensu na yensase de his excellency chese nya de obepin na saade no aba so kra entino galamse de kunu de obekun etia na no na owusu a wo ka NPP communication team members no chese his excellency onku entia pa na mu no start infinity because ene obebro ho a enye na secret ekoso ewo MPP party ni mu efa galamse hu no se eba out a enya de party no opposition a omesan so abebie ni ensema na owusu e de etudwa
Adenti ni ntimi ntina office ntina computer chi na yembo na yenhunu all the geographical landscape no nyina na yan set omo on the radar.
Yeah.
I mean, this should be simple.
A security expert.
Oh yeah. So where the police officer paying there?
Because they say the technology no ho.
I mean
GPS ho.
Yes.
Oh, drones ho.
It's concessions are the amount legally. One more character is on because you say buying a charge so very regulatory and not very regularizing mining operators. One munina joma later and one more mutimi yom character ye price a monko. Namonko yejima. Ejade internet say yeah you operation be say quite affect this half.
My Minerals Commission no. Omedi hambo pa. MEO. Oh, omedi hambo. Minerals Commission Forestry. And Ghana Ukopesca Bosia bank cry. Na bank need this kind of mawa. Whatever no in new. Do this can the oka so be this can akwa no onboa onhwe ma hu se what you about betwia cause mo bi bosia so the man boa no
exactly
yes sir they be am bad sir ade ba kono no people will not do what you expect. People will do what you inspect. And you know amodadodo amoda oko highways federal roads anything na porto beda baby na da hwa na kru kesie menkran ha hwe ye junction he ya abeka junction traffic light ya se he ya on za mra bi da hwa bedio
aya hwe ma 7 there ma 7 isu atua fa hwa ma porto yi So when them out can do so. Well, dream out to him say yes, what about them? Especially so that Chiafa is a womb who say, I'm another hand and the actual and the other one say, as I road maintenance uses that one more urban roads is one more year deals, I know more year you. What's that? Who?
I found and you say no to me. And information system here. Who put to know Hana Mama location.
I mean,
location. Pama fix it. Not your queen.
Mark, me say, the ayane ha me pa back the bia me boss on say, or mine ye noso. Ghana ye noso. And he said, me bia me could me nimne nema bi o mutimi ye with over 100-200 million population.
People, yeah.
Now mutimi
as Madam Fubika said, Ghana cry, don't I send you to me?
And this hard to make it to our way, na say, Uko Minerals Commission send a walking. You were cuckoo down for Obi PhD, Obi Masters best at the credentials and your identity office. But practically, we are doing nothing. Mark, we are doing nothing. And to me, Kobane said, you better not say, Norman Penny with a passion. A president who will speak and say, even if it will cost my presidency, I will do it. It tells you the level of passionate the man is attaching to these operations. Yet, grounds, now you're failing to portal. It means our structural system from the Minerals Commission to the lands and the forestry and blah, 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 it's not working. Everything is bogus. Because they are not looking at how sustainable the plan's supposed to be. But what by you know, and then how they buy it. How have you come? Saying these are the questions they ask people. Into why Akonosu say, oh Kono, he has to go in that capacity. Into one conquer system be Yajuma ho. That be I know they are saying go to Quebec from her say. So that's here. And Quebec from her say, but the old Bayani say, Oba, no ba. On the American, Oba, no ba.
Now ban say,
so me say, ni not say, ya brefio. Chensam. Oba yes in the people are ready.
But about we are manage this way, sir. More report here, most of my penny from Concoye. Now come on your board now, what about trouble on Tianki, you be who?
MPP report now. Oh, you submit it na penifasum na ebeba bontin
esa to be
somewhere ebeba mu no matter how it was.
Moya bold na ebeto abontin a. Na nka mo behu say sa mining activities no kono. MPP aban first term e faili e kan wo bi. It's in the results.
The entire many abra meti America say nyina no. Hwe yemu bi pese party no nke betima tena aban mu for about 16 years. Now so ye be den yaye. So what I say? There are some people in this country. Oma yomo ho adadantoma. Da bia me ka kire mpanifo bia me ne omonam. Ade ba ko a eye hu ene se wakopanimu bi office. Ohun as a politician no.
Yeah.
There and there he will try to play with you and sit and sing nicely. No sorry call. Ukope oswotwea. Abeka nsem. But on no office no master what he will do there you don't have eye to see. My main typical example. You will be as a district chief executive.
Yeah.
And now say municipal chief executive. And now minister of state near the Oko institution mua. Udru hono mua ubekwa kotu obi a oye technocrat or to as a chief director for about 20 years, 15 years. When you get there, he will get time and come to you in the house. No, actually, say, boss, I had the same you play no. If you refuse, the same person will set a trap for you and you fall in. Then you'll be embarrassed. So the technocrats in the system, Mark, I can bet you they are not helping. So here, I'm following up something at the police headquarters, and in good time, I'll make it public.
Oh.
I'm following up the issues at the police headquarters. I mean, it is an eyesore. And some people must be moved from there.
Sir?
If IGP is listening, we want to put that into him. An appropriate time from where I'm coming from the Baumia side, I will make sure we put this thing out there. Because Olma is not happy about it. Yes. He's not happy about the situation at the police headquarters. Because some people think that they have been at the office over 15 years, they are stationed there. And so when you come in there, you must kowtow to whatever you want to say. And it's not just there alone. No. That is how the system we have in Ghana is working. Na si yedi say chichiro maya makebe ye yana. Enye ye.
Ye nyina na yetim.
Ni nyina yetim. Da bia na ye bo man so me say. NPP beba obekọ NDC beba obekọ. Ya hwe ye a Ghana will continue to deteriorate because some people who think they have to make money by all means illegal, they will sit there. And untino, won sorry say o ba na can be pe ni ye fa kwan bi so say ye be de be ye be kan wa hye but ya mie ye ni a ye ho be kire ye. Into your mind way ye ntokwa ye kun galamsey no me de masan kan bio ye wura kan de Japan wa catch the president say nkrofo bi etete ne nase saafo no omomoden ase obe clean
omo kra answer.
So clean omo a it will send signal down there. Into obi ohon mo to na o misbehave obi offense or constituency bi region bi na ono ye ken county obi no betimi obi antimi kan asem no masa e masa nipa kro no say ye party no. The report will come out to mark and some be a wuwo no say be top public. I bet you if NPP joke and go to opposition that kingdom come. Which we don't want it to come. We don't want it to happen. And the people must make sure that they will put their feet down. And not necessarily near Babe, no, because reporting the Enya submit time or mother. And nunti moon semono, a bio hanya papa. I am pese be repeat BM. Because 2024 is just at the corner. So I'm saying it here. And Galamsey fight no dear. Mesre, if Minister Samuel Abujinapo want us to succeed, Nase defense, Niti will pursue a succeed. Together with Ambrose Derry at the interior, we want to succeed the fight. I will tell them they should start from the Minerals Commission.